create a free VPN server using AWS. Open your browser and type aws.amazon.com. If you are already an AWS user, just log into a console. Otherwise, a new user, create a free trial eligible AWS account. I just having an AWS account, I'm just logging into a console. Enter your password and click next and enter your password and get sign in. After sign in, your dashboard will be open. From the top left, you have CN services. Under compute, you have to click EC2. Click the EC2 button. Scroll down and launch instance. Click the launch instance and click another launch instance. Here, from the quick start, click the AWS market space and enter OpenVPN in the search bar. You have to select the free tier eligible OpenVPN access server and click select. In this server, we have to connect only 2 users at a time. If you need a more user, you have to pay for each hour. And click continue. Here you have to select your free tier eligible account and click review and launch. Click the launch button. Here you have to download your key pair. If you are an already user, you have to use an already an existing key pair, or else create a new key pair and enter the file name. And just select OpenVPN, download the key pair. Here is the only place you can download your key pair and click launch instance. After that, your instance you are in launching and click the link. It will show your server is in pending state. Within a few minutes, your server will be running. You download the key pair in .pem format. So here we are using a putty. So to use the putty, we have a .pp. We need a .ppk file format. So we have to convert that .pem format to ppk format using a putty gen. If you want to download your putty, we provide a link in the description. So see, our server is in running state. Right click and click connect. Here is a various, just close it. Just open your putty gen. And load what you have downloaded. Click load and select what we downloaded the file. That is .pem format. That is our key pair. Click continue. Click OK and save your private key. You have to save that. Enter your file name and just save it. Close it. Now you have to open the putty terminal. Open putty. Yes, here in the host or IP, you have to copy from AWS. Copy that, or else you can copy the public DNS. Either or this or that. So I'm just copying that public DNS and paste in the host and click on SSH and click auth. Here we browse what you have downloaded. That is .ppk format and click open and click that. Yes, click yes. Here we have to log in as a root user initially. After entering root, hit enter. Initially you have to type yes and hit enter. For further, enter and enter. You have to type it for 5 more times, I think. After that, it will shows you have to log in as an OpenVPN as. Initially we log in as a root user. After that, after did some process in putty terminal, we have to log in as an OpenVPN as. Yes, it will shows that, right? Please log in as OpenVPN as instead of a root user. So close the putty terminal, again open the putty. Open putty, same as what we have did before. Copy the DNS and paste and putty host name or IP in that place. To the left, click on plus on SSH and click on auth. Browse the PPK file, select it and click open. Here we have to log in as OpenVPN as and hit enter. Initially, OpenVPN has a default username and password. We have to change according to your need. So enter the command sudo space passwd space OpenVPN as. This is the command to change your password. And hit enter. Enter your password. You have to remember when you have to log in. Don't forget this password. And hit enter. Now just minimize it. We have connected putty and an AWS server. Now copy the IP address of a server and enter click on new tab and .https // and paste an IP address and use colon and 943. It is a default port address and /admin. Hit enter. You have to type in safe. Yes, click that. It get into login, admin login, that is enter your username, that is OpenVPN, and enter your password you created in a putty terminal. Enter your password and hit that sign in button. Click agree. We have an access to an OpenVPN server. In the left, select the VPN settings. That it shows that 2 VPN connections only allowed. Yes, scroll down under the routing. Yes, should client internet traffic be routed through this VPN? Yes, and hit that yes and save settings and scroll up and update and hit the update running server. It will shows what you have changes made in the server. Here we log in as an admin account. We have to log in as an user account. So make changes in URL, that is remove that admin and hit enter. Yes, see this user login. Enter your OpenVPN user ID and same password what you have created in a terminal and hit that sign in button. Here it shows and you have to what you have downloaded as Windows, iOS, Linux, Android. What is the device you're gonna use? Download according to this OpenVPN platform. Click on my Windows. Yes, it is start downloading. After that OpenVPN's access server, we just know how to install. That is a normal usual software. Click next. This is what gonna happen. Yes, more info, run anyway. Yes, click next, agree, so on, blah blah blah. After installation, open the OpenVPN access server. Open. Just close it. Just click agree. Yes, okay. Here just hit that connect. You have to enter the username what you have created, same as what OpenVPN, and the same password, and click OK. Boom! Yes, it's just connected to our AWS VPN server. Just go to your browser and type what's your IP. check this. It's an AWS server's IP address. It's not my own PC's IP address. If you want to recheck it, just hit the disconnect and don't show again, click OK. Now go to your website and see what's my IP address and hit enter. This is my own public IP address. You check whether it's connected to an AWS server. After disconnecting, it will choose my own IP address. If you are not using the server, right click on it and stop the server. Because every time you're using that, your free eligible account will be limited. So you have to stop the server. Whenever you need to anonymize in internet, open your browser and access to an OpenVPN and use it. After using that, shut down your servers. If you have any doubts in this procedure, don't hesitate